So you have changed your style, and you can change uh, the size of your paragraph to less or more. It depends upon you. Okay, so this is the basic syntax of changing the font size. I hope you will remember it. It is easier than you thought. Okay, so now let's come to the next thing, that is font color. Guys, you can change the font color of your HTML file of a certain paragraph or things like that. So it's easy. So let's go here. Just you are required, let's remove it first, so do not mix it up. So style, you are required to write same style, and then you are required to write like this, and then you simply wrote here color. Okay, let's say we want a green color, that is my favorite color. Okay, so this is the syntax for color styling. You can change the color of header or something, whatever you want, you can style it. Okay, like that. So now let's save it, and just refresh the page, and you will see the difference. Yes, you can see that as we have removed that size style, so the size has become to the default, and you can see that the color is changed. Alright, so let's see what is next. Font family. You can change the font family that is in the browsers. I mean, some people like italic, some people like other wording family. You can say Verdana and Arial and New Roman. So whatever you want, you can change it to. Okay. So let's say this. Uh, the syntax will remain the same. Don't mix it up. I will write separately. So here is font family. Font family. Okay. So what you want? Okay. Let's say I want Arial. Now, if we save it, and now if we refresh it, you can see that the font family has been changed successfully. Okay, so revive. I will revive it. What we have done so far. First of all, we have learned how can we make comments, and how can we change font size, how can we change font color, and how can we change font family. So I will do that for you in a single line. Okay, so style, here I will like to write font size 25 pixels. Okay, so you have to separate the other statement with this. Alright, so let's say now I want font color, color blue. Let's write blue this time. Okay, so you are done, and this is your comment statement. So let's save it, and now if we refresh the page, you can see that the font size has been changed, the font color has been changed, and the font family has been changed successfully. So this was the thing that we have done so far, and that is super easy. Okay, so let's see what is next. Background color. You can also change the color of your background. I mean this color, you can change it. The specific color for this background, you can change it. The specific color for this header, you can change it. So let's change it inside the code. So okay, so we want to change the color of whole body, so we are required to write it inside the body. So style is equal to background color. uh, let's say gray. One thing here, you can use hex codes that are out there in you can find it easily on internet, but I'm using these words for now. So let's save it, and if you refresh it, you will see that the background color has been changed to gray. So now if I want to change this color, that is super easy. You are just required to write that thing here in place of that, or you can add it if you want to keep these characteristics, you can write here with them. Okay, so you are just required to add it here. All right, you can. Okay, let's add it here. Background color red. Okay, so let's save it, and if we refresh it, you can see that the background color of this certain paragraph has been changed. So you can change the paragraph color, the background color of header as well, same like that. Okay, so let's move towards the next thing, aligning the text. You can align the text as is your requirement, so it's super easy, same like that. For now I would like to remove this stuff so that you may able to learn quite easily. So let's write here text align. Let's say I want to I want that my paragraph should appear in center, so I have written this text align center. So let's save it, and see the change. You can see that text from here appears here. Okay, suddenly it got centered. So if I want to appear that text here in the right side, so just I need to change here. I have to write right here. Okay, save it and just refresh this. Okay, that is gone here. And if I want to appear that stuff here, if I want to write left, otherwise if you write nothing, it will automatically appear here. Okay, by default. So that's it for now, and I'll see you in the next part. Thanks for watching.